What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. This video we're going to be taking a look at a pretty kick-butt water bottle. Now you say, like, why is a water bottle a tech item? Well, because this water bottle cleans itself. And in these days of germs and COVID and all the bacteria, and if you're a germaphobe, I don't even know how you're going out in public today, this is timely. So, let's take a look at the Larq Water Bottle. Okay. Not only is this a high-quality water bottle that will completely keep your hots for quite a long time and your colds cold for a long time, it cleans itself. So, you don't have to worry about going in. Now, I would recommend you actually clean it, like you would a regular water bottle, but you just don't have to do it so often. Because what makes this water bottle unique is it's got an ultraviolet light built into the lid that will clean antibacterial, right, itself. So let's take a look at the box. So we have the Larq Water Bottle, pure water from a self-cleaning bottle. Now, I don't know. If you got those, like, you're out in the woods and you're roughing it and you go over to a creek or a pond or something and you fill it with water, can you drink it? Supposedly, yes, right? As long as it's not like filthy, muddy, gross, mucky water. This isn't some kind of survivor filter that is going to clean your water, purify it, and stuff like that. But if you can find some pretty good clean water, mountain water, mountain spring, perfectly good stuff, right? This is a good bottle for that. So it'll also make pure water from a self-cleaning bottle. So this is 500 milliliter, 17 ounce, clean inside and out. 10,000 times more hygienic than regular water bottles. Environmental friendly. Kick your plastic habit to save the planet and your hard-earned cash. Long-lasting power. One charge lasts up to 1 to 2 months and recharged via USB. Double insulated. Keeps it cold for 24 hours. I can vouch for that. Meet the Larq bottle, self-cleaning water bottle with instant water purification. Pure water in 60 seconds. Drink confidently anywhere at a touch of a button. The 280 nm UVC light neutralizes up to 99.99999% of harmful odor-causing bacteria in adventure mode. Self-cleaning and worry-free. Intelligently activates every 2 hours, basking the water and inner surface in purifying UV light. Never worry about that stinky bottle. I've used a Camelback bottle, and it does. If you don't clean it out regularly, it can start to stink. And then adventure ready. Set in adventure mode for extra purification power so you can drink confidently no matter the destination. There you go. So you've got a adventure mode on this bad boy. That you can do. And it is the Red Dot Design Award, Best of 2019. 1% for the planet. Just to know, a portion of proceeds go to our charity partner, 1% for the planet, to benefit the environment and bring safe drinking water to billions. So it's a good cause as well. USB rechargeable, UVC LED, double insulated. So we've kind of covered the gamut there. So let's look at the actual bottle itself. Now, this one here is kind of a matte black. I do like this matte black. It is very, very thin, so good, 17 ounces. Now, this is going to kind of freak you out because it's going to look like an Amazon Echo here in a second. So, I actually have filled this water bottle. Now, there's the nice, see, it's double insulated. Super, super nice. I can get ice cubes in here. Now, if you've got, like, big ice cubes, you're going to have a problem. But I do have ice cubes in there. I don't know if you can see in there. Probably not. But I've got regular old refrigerator ice cubes. They're kind of horizontally side. And so this here is double insulated, pure goodness, Larq. Now, here's where the magic happens. Here's the lid. There's a UV light right there. Can I turn it on? Not without having it screwed on. So let's go ahead and screw it on. Now, caught that. There's our charge. Type C. Right there. You can see it. There's our Type C port where we can charge the lid. Now, again, this is going to look like your Amazon Echo here in a second because I'm going to push it. Well, maybe I need to charge the lid. It did. There we go. So you can see, yeah, I told you, looks a lot like your Amazon Echo, doesn't it? So right now it's going to run for about 60 seconds. The UV light is running and it is purifying, killing any bacteria that is in that water in that bottle. So not only is this filtered water, now I'm double hitting it with a UV LED. So this thing is definitely cleaning the bottle, purifying my water, and making sure it's the most pure delicacy water that I could drink, right? Let's see if I unscrew this, will it stay on? There you go. Can you see it? It is on. Oh, it just shut itself off. But so that was the LED. So I'm going to taste this. See if it tastes any different, right? It's good and cold, I can tell you that. And it's very refreshing. And there is no odor. It does smell normal. So it's a super nice bottle. Yep, good stuff. Carry this, take it camping, take it hiking, whatever you want to do. It's not heavy at all. It's very lightweight. And again, fairly narrow, so it's going to fit in your backpack, hopefully your backpack or your duffel or whatever you have. You've got some side water bottle holders. Shouldn't be any problem to fit in there because it's not a super wide, super fat water bottle. So this should stow and go pretty darned easy. Alright guys, so that is the Larq self-cleaning water bottle. Water purification, kill bacteria, and in this time of germs and crap like that, everything you need, you should keep it clean, right? Never know. If you like this video, guys, give it a thumbs up. Check the show notes for a link to Larq and this water bottle and their website, and you can check it out. They're not just available in matte black. You can get them in numerous different colors and designs. As always, guys, subscribe to the show if you like this content, and thanks for watching, and have a good one.